Hey there.
Leave me alone.
A bit harsh, you know.
I've seen my trusted best friends die right in front of me.
Oh, you've gotten a heart game without any clue.
It's a 3 of heart game that the card is in my pocket.
My name is Glitch. Mind if I know yours?
Name is Jay.
Do you want to join my hunt to escape this Borderlands? I promise I will keep you safe.
I hope you keep your promise, since I have no hope of living anymore. Sure, I would like to join your hunt in escaping this mad place. Wait, where are we going?
We have to play more games to increase our visa. Now come on, I think you have 1 day left of your visa before you're dead.
Let's stick together then.
Glitch, please don't actually trust this pathetic idiot. It will surely ruin our plans.
Who said I am trusting him? I want to actually kill him before I leave.
Nice one, babe. See you later, then.
Game name: Trust or Betray. Game difficulty: Jack of Hearts. Game rules: find 2 lying traitors, execute them, or just expose them. Game over if all the innocents dies. Finding 2 traitors. Let the game begin.
We will go hide somewhere, then we can win.
Good plan.
It's not me.
2 against 1, buddy.
Traitor 1 found.
There are now 3 of us. Too easy to find the traitor.
How about we kill them then?
My turn.
Traitor to found. Game cleared. Congratulations.
Let's watch the games.
Game name: Alien Invasion. Game difficulty: 9 of Hearts. Game rules: the game is played in 6 rounds, with each round having a 10-minute time limit. Upon time limit, the whole venue will be invaded by aliens per round. In order to survive an alien invasion, the player must hide in a refugee pod before the time
I am
limit.
Reaper.
Pleasure to meet you.
Game cleared if players steal all of their cards before the end. Game over if they are unable to enter a pod in time. Attempting to enter a pod without a valid life card, using violence against the players. Let the game commence.
Here, take the life card.
Time's up. The alien invasion will start now.
Oh no!
Error.
What?
Time's up. The alien invasion will start now. Game cleared. Congratulations. Game name: Hide and Seek. Game difficulty: 7 of Hearts. Game rules: 1 player becomes the wolf at random, and the remaining 3 become sheep. The wolf shall try to avoid the gaze of the sheep. If the wolf has eye contact with a sheep, the sensor reacts and the sheep becomes the wolf. Game cleared if the person who is the last to become a wolf. Game over if they are the sheep. Let the game commence.
I can't do this anymore.
Wait, don't. Hey, friend.
Leslie, I am not looking at you.
I don't care about winning. I just hope you find a way to escape this game.
Leslie, you can't just give up. Leslie.
the best friend I had. Please live for us.
10,
I will sacrifice so that you can live greater.
6, 5, 4, 3.
Goodbye, best friend.
I have won, but at what cost?
Game cleared. Congratulations.
That wasn't fun to watch. Glitch?
Hello,
Who the hell are you?
I'm Alex.
Why the hell are you here?
To warn you about...
I'm back, Jay. Who is this?
This is Alex.
You think I don't know your pathetic plans? Tell him anything and I will have you killed first. Alex, may I have that 9 of heart card?
Sure.
Jay, I have some business trip to attend. See you soon.
He is acting suspicious.
Attention players, this is the King Face card game. Registration is over. 5 players join the game. Game name, Beauty Contest. Difficulty, King of Diamond. Game rule. All players select a number between 0 and 100 in the given time. The average of the values will be multiplied by 0.8. The person who chooses the number closest to the calculated number wins. This constitutes 1 round. All losers will lose a point. Game cleared if be the last person remaining. Game over if they reached -5 points. Game will now commence. All players, please proceed to sit somewhere. Please enter a number. Attention players, we found a cheater in the game, therefore he will be eliminated.
No, no, no.
Bye-bye, idiot.
Congratulations, Gerson. Game cleared.
Well, looks like that's it. Time to exit.
Execute King of Diamond area and make the King of Spade prepare in one of Jonathan's removes.
As you wish, Master Glitch.
Run for your life. There's someone here. Run. There is a... Glitch is not alone.
Start the game after the other 2 games are completed.
Would you also like to have some weapons?
It's time for Plan B.
Game, Hopscotch. Game, Target. Game, Mascot Hunting. Game, Lady Breath.
Master Glitch, we will start in a minute.
Let the players know the rules, since I will be ending their lives.
As you wish, Master Glitch. Hello, player. Difficulty for this game. King of Spade. Game name, Mass Killin'. There are no rules. Good luck, player. May luck be with you. Let the suicide game begin.
I will simply rip you up. Pathetic bitch. Execute Bosch. This isn't hide and seek.
This ends now.
A brave person, sure. Fight me then. Game over. Send TL to the virus room.
That was awesome, but is it safe to corrupt TL now?
It's impossible to be freed from our corruption.
Let's not corrupt him yet.
To it. I will handle the rest.
Glitch, this will end worse for our plan.
I said do it now.
Glitch, after this, I am punishing you.
Jay, I don't think Glitch is who he seems.
Glitch made a promise and I doubt he'd break it.
People can break promises.
Why would Glitch save me when I were about to run out of my visa?
Maybe to use you?
He knows I played a heart game without me even telling him.
That is where you're wrong.
Who said that?
Hi, I am Leslie.
Leslie, care to explain how I am wrong?
See, we finished almost every games, beside King of Spade. And I found some footages of Glitch being the King of Spade.
You have to be lying.
It's not just Leslie who knows.
It's the rest of us.
So Glitch was a traitor?
I knew he was one since I met him.
Don't worry, Jay. We will help you stop him.
He killed Reaper and captured 2 people.
Guys, the TV is on.
Attention all players. To complete this last game, you must defeat me. I will be killing those who can't reach to my headquarters in time, so be quick.
Sorry, Jay. Not sorry. You're the last person who will die either way.
Game will start as soon as I finish this announcement. Any questions, you motherfucker?
Glitch, can we have those 2 people back?
I will send TL and Ration over there, but they will be, let's say, different.
Glitch, come over here before I...
Let's do this, everyone, for Ration L and TL.
Gerson, move. Alright, just go!
Oops. I accidentally killed him. Hope Ration is at least alive.
You really thought I died? I was here since the beginning. This was unfair death for me, as I have been brutally beaten up. L will be alive at least, but I will make sure that Glitch's partner won't win. I may have died here, but I will be back. Expect me soon.
Wow, you are fast.
I know my ways around here, and I had invented a power of teleportation.
We lost 3 friends.
What is going on?
Let's do this, everyone.
To what pleasure it is to see you again, Jay.
Don't get close.
Alright, if you want to do it like that, I will treat you like a player then. Dumb way to die, idiot. Ow, enough.
Where did that coward go?
Ooh, Jay, what is going on?
Thanks to my partner, I have become even stronger. Let's play Dodge the Fist, difficulty Jack of Spade. Let's make it a glitch difficulty hot. Adding lasers.
Goodbye, friends. I am going to meet Ration.
Alex, Mo, help!
Adding lasers.
Someone hurry up and deactivate this madness.
Just had enough of you. Time to die.
Deactivation completed.
Who just saved me?
I'm fucking tired of this. I am coming after you myself.
Glitch, watch out.
How?
You're not dying yet.
I deactivated the fighting systems. We can. Oops, forgot to deactivate the self-destruct system. Run for your life. New OMG struct.
Well, I guess this is it for me. I should have seen Jay one more time before dying. Goodbye, Jay. Enjoy your freedom from this game.
You're pathetic, giving up. I hope you realize that only 2 out of your entire friend group lived. Glitch isn't dead, just defeated. But I will make sure he will be back soon. Enjoy living your last breath. I will go check on Glitch.
Goodbye, Jay. New OMG struct.
Goodbye, friends. I'm going to meet Ration.
We lost 3 friends.
I will sacrifice myself for everyone's sake.
See you soon.
What is going on?
I am Reaper.
Just go.
Let's do this, everyone, for Rationale and TL.
I am not dead. I will be coming back soon, and for revenge.
Yo, Jay, we finished all the games and defeated Glitch.
Finally, then we can leave.
All surviving players will be presented with 2 choices. Players must now all decide whether to accept permanent residency in this country or decline it.
Yo, Jay, I hope we see each other again. I decline the offer.
I also decline the offer.
Honey, we should probably decline.
I will get my revenge.
Computer, we both have declined the offer. He is just being delusional.
Season 2 will be coming soon. New games, new players. Be prepared. I will plan to make 3 seasons. You will not expect any spoilers from now on. Enjoy this Season 1. I worked extremely hard on it. Listen to this music for 10 more seconds before the season fully ends.